Welcome to TechHub.training Excel Challenge Solving Problems with Solver. Guys, Solver is a great tool. Excited to learn a little bit about it and go through the challenge here. So let's get a little overview of the challenge first. Basically, you're taking on the role as a new manager at a local store, and the store sells three products A, B, and C. At the beginning of each month, you need to place an order to your wholesaler to restock the store's inventory. You have a budget of $10,000 every month, and your job is to decide how many units of each product you should buy given your budget in order to maximize profit for the store. So you have the following information. I won't go through all of it, but product A is bought for $60, sold for $83. Product B is bought for $51, sold for $70.50. Got it, etc., etc. So we know we need to solve for how many units do we need to purchase of these products. We're assuming they sell out, each time we buy them. So demand, we're not taking that into account here. But basically, I created a little table here with the purchase price, the selling price. Total cost is the purchase price times the order quantity. Total revenue is the selling price times the order quantity. And then total profit, revenue minus cost, right? Sum those up here in the bottom. And that's a little table I used that I think in some way or another your solution should look something like that. Then we're going to solve for these three cells here, the order quantity. Now, we need to add some constraints here, mainly being, for example, product A, you cannot buy more than 100, but you need to buy at least 50. Okay. Product C, you have to buy at least 30, but you can't buy more than 60. Okay. So what we do here, we'll open Solver. It's in data. Solver, I have a screenshot here of my solution here and what it looks like. So let's go through it. So we know our objective, H13, which is our total profit. So we want to maximize that. So set that there and then max. We want to change the variable cells here. Cells E10 through E12 here, listed here. And then the constraints, I listed them out here, but I just, for example, E10, so product A needs to be less than 100, then E10 needs to be greater than 50, and then E10 also needs to be an integer. So needs to be an integer because you can't buy half of a unit, right? So you do that for each one. You can look here at exactly what mine looks like. Some other key things to remember, this cell right here, F13, our total cost needs to be in, sorry, doesn't need to be total revenue, but our total cost right here needs to be less than our $10,000 budget. So F13 needs to be less than D5, and then you can change that around and resolve it for different variables. But anyway, that's my solution here to this Solver Excel challenge. Hopefully that was beneficial for you guys, and look forward to seeing how everybody else solved it. Sweet.